Hi, welcome to Daniela Monet's Finished Closet. I'm Regina Leeds, the Zen organizer. I've written 10 books, but this is my favorite book. This is 1 Year to an Organized Life, and it's my New York Times bestseller. This workshop is about all the things you would imagine organizing is about. I'm going to tell you how to do your closet and your files, but I also want you to understand the spiritual aspects of getting organized, because to me, you know, if you want to change your life and change the world, you're going to have to change the environment in which you live. And when I walk into a home or an office, I see the story of your life. So if you want to change the inside, the outer is going to change in concert. Getting organized is actually simple. I'm going to give you 5 steps, and with these 5 steps you can organize anything. Why would somebody not have a good time getting organized? The number one reason is, drum roll please, your parents weren't organized, so no one was around to teach you. Well, I like to think that this is part of a conscious process, so that instead of just making closets look pretty and shelves look neat, what you're doing is organizing your environment so that it enables you and supports you to do whatever work you came here to do in your life.
And you're saying to us that if you organize your closet, you'll have a better love life.
Yes, because getting organized is not just a technical thing, it's really an expression of self-love and self-respect. And when people come into your environment and they feel that, they are drawn to being with you, you are happier, you're healthier. It's a secret aphrodisiac, I really believe that. If you are more organized, you're more a benefit to your company. If you are looking for a job and you want to offer that skill, if you want to organize your quest for a new position, this book will help. And if you are an employer, you can get organized, because then you will show your employees by example rather than by request what it is you hope to receive from them. If you say to yourself, okay, tomorrow I'm going to get organized, how can you set yourself up to win? How can you love this vehicle that you travel in? People think that the organizing process is exhausting because there's physical exertion, and yes, there is physical exertion. What wears you out is the decision-making process, because you are confronted with all the juju attached to every item. Maintenance must be done. Do you go to the dentist and find you have no cavities and then go home and say, oh man, I don't have to brush and floss anymore? You open up a closet and things fall on you. That's an indication of what your thought process is. So if you can calm the outside and have a calm, peaceful environment that supports you, you can also calm down your thoughts. And that's the whole goal for me of being organized, is to have a calm, peace-filled, directed life. My best friend showed me that the way I teach organizing is the way to get through a crisis. And there was a lady who said to me when I was first diagnosed, she said, right now you think cancer is doing things to you. One day you will find out it is doing things through you and for you. So come this afternoon and I'll teach you how that happens. Thank you.